Hi, welcome to Cedar Creek. My name is Jim Kruger. I work for the University of Minnesota here at a 5,400 acre research facility up in East Bethel, Minnesota. We purchased the CargoMax back in 2009, and what I have here is 25 miles of unimproved gravel and sand roads. We are losing approximately 20 to 25% of our material we use to fix it. We pulled this trailer today out of the snowbank to talk about it. It is remarkably strong. It didn't crack, it didn't expand, and it looks fabulous right out of the snow. The original trailer is a classic steel and plywood trailer, and the problem with it is material would fall out to the side. The other problem we had with it is we park our trailers outside in the winter, so they fill with snow, they fill with water. We are very hard on our equipment here. After 10 years, we replaced a green treated floor in the steel trailer. The CargoMax, however, it's holding up just fine. It's done everything from haul patio blocks for us. It hauls brush for us when we have to trim back the roads. As you can see, we do quite a bit of prescribed burning. It hauls tanks, it hauls equipment, it hauls everything that we need, and it does a great job for us. We've used this trailer for 11 years now. I wouldn't be surprised if we get 11 more out of it. It's been that durable. I'm not looking to buy another trailer because this one has performed so well. I have seen the new CargoMaxes. I like the tailgate option. I do like the option that it folds down and you can drive up. I do like the larger option also. However, it's pretty hard to replace something that just performs.